Artificial intelligence, AI, the pinnacle of human ingenuity, is set to unleash a wave of transformative changes across industries, societies, and our very way of life. From automated systems that redefine efficiency to personalized experiences that cater to our every need, the power of AI is set to revolutionize the world as we know it. Brace yourself for a future where machines not only think, but also shape our destiny. A future where AI changes everything. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making significant strides in recent years and has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives in the future. With its ability to process vast amounts of data, learn from patterns, and make intelligent decisions, AI is expected to have a profound impact on various industries and society as a whole. One of the significant future impacts of AI lies in automation. AI-powered machines and systems have the potential to replace human labor in repetitive and mundane tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer service are likely to witness significant transformations as AI takes over routine activities, freeing up human resources to focus on more creative and complex tasks. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations and technological advancements shaping our future. Today, we delve into a topic that has captured the imagination of many: how artificial intelligence will transform our world. And in this video, we'll take a closer look at the incredible ways AI is set to change the future. Artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to have a transformative impact on various aspects of our future. Here are some ways AI is expected to change the future. Automation and job market. AI will continue to automate routine and repetitive tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity across industries. While this may result in job displacement in certain sectors, new job opportunities will also emerge, particularly in areas that require human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnosis accuracy, personalized medicine, and drug discovery. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and predict diseases, enabling early intervention and better patient outcomes. AI-powered robots and virtual assistants can also provide support in caregiving and patient monitoring. Transportation. Self-driving cars and autonomous vehicles are applications of AI that will transform the transportation industry. These vehicles can enhance road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and improve fuel efficiency. Additionally, AI can optimize transportation logistics, such as route planning and delivery management, leading to cost savings and streamlined operations. Personalized experiences. AI algorithms can analyze large volumes of data about individual preferences and behaviors to provide personalized recommendations and experiences. This can be seen on entertainment platforms, e-commerce, and social media, where AI-driven algorithms tailor content, products, and advertisements to individual users. Education. AI technologies have the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences. Intelligent tutoring systems can adapt educational content to individual student needs, providing targeted guidance and support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can also assist with administrative tasks and answer student queries, freeing up teachers' time. Cybersecurity. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, AI can play a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity defenses. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies, detect potential cyberattacks, and respond rapidly to mitigate risks. Sustainability. AI can contribute to solving global challenges related to sustainability and climate change. For example, it can optimize energy consumption in buildings, enable predictive maintenance for renewable energy infrastructure, and help in monitoring and managing natural resources more efficiently. Cyberattacks, creativity, and art. AI technologies, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, can create art, music, and literature. These systems can generate original content or assist human creators by providing suggestions and inspiration, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in artistic expression. Furthermore, AI has the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized and adaptive learning experiences. intelligent tutoring systems can analyze individual learning patterns, adapt the curriculum, and provide tailored feedback to students, enhancing their educational outcomes. AI-powered virtual reality and augmented reality tools can also create immersive and interactive learning environments, making education more engaging and effective. Home robots. We already have AI home robots that can do various tasks like cleaning, mowing, and vacuuming. However, in their current form, these robots are not that intelligent. Their capabilities are also limited. The future of AI will see home robots having enhanced intelligence, increased capabilities, and becoming more personal and possibly cute. For example, home robots will overcome navigation, direction, and object detection issues, enabling them to carry out tasks more efficiently. General Electric states, the home robot will be not just a capable assistant, but something with personality, lifelike, a companion in the home that you actually like having around. Space exploration. Major space exploration organizations like NASA are already using AI for unmanned shuttles, rovers, and probes to explore distant galaxies. These AI robots can detect objects and obstructions, find safe paths, and help discover new locations that weren't otherwise possible. In the future, the use of AI in space exploration will help right from mission planning to execution, operations, and the completion stage. Moreover, they will also detect and help prevent catastrophic events like a meteor impact or spacecraft component failure. This will help enhance space exploration missions' efficiency, output, and safety. We can safely conclude that the future of AI in space exploration is as bright as the stars and galaxies it is helping us find. Wars. Robotic soldiers are not a scientific concept anymore. They are already being used autonomously in various war missions to aid human soldiers. They are helping change the way wars are fought, in a good as well as a bad way. For example, on the one hand, they are helping reduce human casualties. On the other hand, they are causing more destruction. Then there is also the question of the ethics of using robots without any human control in wars. However, the future impact of AI also raises ethical and societal concerns. Issues related to privacy, job displacement, bias in algorithms, and the concentration of power need to be carefully addressed to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. The future impact of AI is vast and exciting. From revolutionizing healthcare and transportation to transforming education and the workplace, artificial intelligence has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. As we move forward, it's crucial to foster responsible development and deployment of AI technology, ensuring its benefits are accessible to all while addressing the challenges that arise. The future is bright, and with AI, we're on the brink of an incredible technological revolution. It's important to note that the impact of AI on society will depend on how it is developed, deployed, and regulated. Ethical considerations, transparency, and accountability will play a significant role in shaping the future impact of AI technologies. That's it for today's video on the future impact of AI. If you found this content informative, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Let us know in the comments how you envision AI shaping the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.